Lots of people want to make YouTube videos, but they don't want to record their own voice. They don't want to show their face in front of the camera. But I'm going to show you in channels that using one single software, they're making their videos without showing their face, without recording their own voice, and they are making over 4 or 5, 6 grand every single month and over $100,000 every single year, guys. I'm gonna reveal the channels, and also I'm gonna reveal the softwares, which software they are using to make these videos. So you don't need any technical skill, just use the tools and you can make these videos and you can make money from YouTube, guys. So watch the video until the end for the full tutorial. Look at this channel, guys. It's called Daily Health First. Actually, they are not uploading daily videos. Their channel name is Daily Health First, but they uploaded around 51 videos, and these channels started on 2016, but they are making videos for past 2 years. That you can see here, every single month they are making around 687 pounds to 11,000 pounds, but you can assume that they are actually earning in the middle, so around 5 to 6 grand every single month, guys. That you can see their average earning somewhere between 80 to 90,000 up to $100,000, guys. So you can see here their number of subscribers is going up, and you can see here past, so their videos making some low views, then suddenly this happened. You can see their views have gone up and there was the subscribers also gone up, which I'm going to show you why is that happened. So this is their YouTube channel. That you can see their views are steady around 60,000, 50,000, 48,000, and suddenly these views happen. They are getting over 300 to 400,000 views. Because of that, because some of the videos went on viral. That you can see here, these are the recently published videos and they are also getting larger amount of views. These are fact videos using a software. They're making these videos by adding their royalty free web videos, pictures and auto voiceovers, guys. They are not using their own voiceover. This is the one of their videos that you can see here.
The herb even fights stress, improves mood, and sharpens mental.
And this is one of their video went on viral, over 2.8 million views. That you can see here.
Industrialized countries, garlic is a true superstar.
It's about 7 food that unclog arteries naturally. They find this fact online, put together using these tools. They make these videos without showing their face, without recording their own voice, and these softwares will automatically add royalty free videos and pictures and voiceover for guys. That you can see this video is getting around 4,300 views per hour. This is why their channels started to blow up from June 21. That you can see their views have gone up. Because of that, their subscribers rate also gone up. And again, if they start play their videos, that you can see this advertisement started to play in the middle, or that you can see automatically ad in 5 seconds. So you can see I play that.
To prevent and treat the symptoms of over 200 different diseases.
And there you go. There's an advertisement is playing in the middle of their videos, guys. So this is how they are making their money from it. They are using it software that do every hard work for them. So watch it carefully how you can use that tools for yourself guys, and you can make money from it. Before I reveal which software they use to make this kind of video, I'm going to show you how they make a little bit more money other than YouTube. So if you come to the description, then you can see they have a website here. If you click open it, and it will take you to this website, guys. This is their actual website. So what they do is when they have the script done, they upload it on their website as a blog post. Also, they make the videos, upload it on YouTube, and again they publish the video on their website. That you can see this is the script of the video, and there's a YouTube video here, and this is the blog post, guys. That you can see the list from 1 to 12 here. Now here you can see here there's a bunch of link in their blog post. They are promoting affiliate offers, guys. So you can see this is the thing. This is an actual affiliate offers. They are not promoting. This is not a Google advertisement. So if you click open here, click a new tab here, then you can see this is an actual ClickBank offer for an affiliate product that's similar to their blog post, guys. So they are making money from affiliate marketing. On top of that, they say advertisement will be played on here after a couple of seconds later from Google itself. So they are making ad revenue from Google, guys. So if you have an interest on making a website, there's a link in my description for Bluehost where you can only pay $3 for the hosting, guys. So there you can make a website like this one where you can upload the same script onto this website and you can make money from affiliate marketing and Google advertisement, guys. These are the kind of method I'm going to make videos in the future, but gonna let you know. So you can, if you have a script, you can make money from YouTube. I'm going to reveal the tools which you can use to make these kind of videos. On top of that, you can upload it into website, create your own website, and you can promote affiliate offers like this one here, and also from Google advertisement, guys. All you have to do is you need to find a topic and you need to make a script for that. So here there's my script on a fact video. It's about top 7 animals that are more intelligent than humans. So I find these articles on online, put together top 7 list on here. That you can see I'm using this list to make a video. All you have to do is copy this entire script and you're gonna use this tool called vidnami.com. I believe they are using the same tool, but it's very similar to that. This tool can add auto voiceover, auto videos, royalty free videos and pictures and background music for you guys. So you don't have to do anything. So watch it carefully how you can use this tool. Again, guys, if you want to use this tool, there's a 14-day free trial for you guys. There's a first link in the description. Click sign up and use it for 14 days. And if you're really interested on that tools, you can pay for that and you can make unlimited videos for your YouTube, guys. So what you do, this is the front page of the tool. You have to click this one called create any video and it will take to the template section that you can see. You can make vertical videos for your TikTok or YouTube shorts, and you can make Instagram videos, or you can make this blueprint, this template for YouTube video, guys. So you can click all format and click which type of template you want. Landscape for YouTube, square for Instagram, and vertical for TikTok and YouTube shorts. So click landscape and you can select type of template. You can see these are the similar template they are using on their videos, guys. Now what you have to do here, select a template, for example this one, and click this one called use this template, and it will take you to the script section where you're going to copy and paste the script like that. Copy and paste it, and you have to click this one called create scene. Now what happened is it will take a couple of seconds or minutes to add relevant video clips for your script. Now after that, you can see here there's a videos are automatically added for your keywords on your script, guys. For each scene they add new clips. Afterward, what you have to do is click voice section, and you can record your own voice. But if you don't want to record your own voice, click auto voice and you can select all different type of accent, guys. United Kingdom, Australia, USA. So you can select different guys. So for example, this is a sample.
Hi, my name is Luke and I would love to read the script for your...
You can see it's more like a human voice. What you have to do is click preview videos. Now again, it will take a couple of seconds or minutes to add voiceover for your each scene. And you can see the preview is done. Click play.
7 unusual ways that animals are more intelligent than you may realize. 1. Chimpanzees has a bet.
Like you can see, your script is played in the background, the voiceover is playing that, and relevant videos are appear in the background, guys. So you can use this tool to make this video. You can see my script is about 1097 words long. That you can see for that 1097 words, you can make up to 5 minutes of video, up to 6 minutes of video, guys, automatically. So you can spend around less than 30 to 1 hour. You can, the big part is making the script, and the video making is the fastest part. Yeah, you can see here, this is a low quality. When you come to download, so it looks good and continue, you have to click this button and it will take you to the next page where you can select higher format. So actual format is 720. Click change. You can select full HD. It will take a little bit longer time, but you can get higher resolution of video. All you have to do is, after your video is run, upload it into your new YouTube channels without getting any copyright claim or strike. After you reach 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch time, you can monetize, you can make money, because this is the channels, is the proof, because you can see they make similar videos and there's a videos is advertisement is playing on the video, guys. So I hope, guys, like, if you want to make money from YouTube, but if you can't record your own voice, or you don't want to show your own face, you can use this tool to make everything for you guys and upload it into YouTube, and you can make money. The key important part with this method is consistency. So you have to keep uploading to your YouTube until you have some breakthrough. Some of your video went viral, like this one. You can see their videos. This is their older videos getting around 700 views, and this is their recent videos. You can see it's getting over 2.8 million views, guys. All you have to do is keep uploading and you can make money from YouTube, guys. So again, click the link in the description, the first link, where you can get 14 days free trial for Vietnamese, guys. Until that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.